welcome to Amazing Background. This is Camelia, and as usual, I want to show you the beautiful area of Istanbul. Come with me. Hello friends, welcome to Amazing Background. This is Camelia, and as usual I'm going to show you the beautiful area of Istanbul. Today I'm in Istiklal Street, one of the most attractive streets in Istanbul. This street starts at the northern end of Galata at Tunnel Square and runs as far as Taksim Square. People say it's the busiest street in Istanbul, and totally seems to be so, but in this case I think this is a positive thing because of the vibe. Shopping or just walking, street food or small cozy terraces with traditional food and fresh fish, seafood, cafeterias with excellent Turkish sweets, eye-catching attractions, and the charming tram all in one place, and this makes it unique. This street is crazy busy at all times of the day and night. Shoppers, tourists, street vendors, street performers, even an antique tram which comes through and parts the crowds. So much fun. A street full of shops, stores with massive amount of people. You should spend days here. This cobblestone street attracts both local and tourists who walk its length to enjoy the many restaurants, cafes, and shops. The city's movie theaters are also located here. A visit to Istiklal Street is an opportunity to experience the unique energy and spirit of Istanbul at its most organic. The street is the busiest in the city, comparable to Fifth Avenue in NYC or Oxford Street in London. The long stretch has shops with every product imaginable, cafes, restaurants, live music, bars, cinemas, and much more. This is a mild list of the best attractions on Istiklal Street. I always enjoy walking on this street, and hope you enjoyed this walking tour too. It's my pleasure to support me by subscribing and setting the bell to get the notification. If you like my video, don't miss my next videos too. Thanks for watching. I love you all.